Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete. Regards, Madmick. There are two Zontes top cases designed for the 703F. So depending on whether you decide to go for a 36-litre capacity case or a 45-litre capacity case, then the mounting secure tabs need to be in the correct place. On the mounting plate, this video shows both locations for the securing tabs for correct mounting. This is so the dealers know the correct fitting. And if you yourself have bought the Zontes aftermarket cases for your ride, you also know how to fit the cases correctly. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick.